Welcome to Clockaudio. My name is Bob Morrow. This video is going to mainly focus on thru-table boundary layer microphones. These microphones have become very popular over the years because they have a very low profile, they're easy to install, and also phase cancellation problems are virtually eliminated. They're typically installed about 16 to 24 inches from the edge of the table. It's possible sometimes to go a little bit further, but that really depends of the acoustics or if you prefer the critical distance of the room. Clockaudio offers a few models for different types of applications. Let's look at a few of them. Starting with the C004 ERF. It has a low profile top mounted on a solid brass barrel, terminated with an XLR. It is RF immune and also comes with 2 rubber shock mounts. It's available in black or in white. Now, one thing that's very important when you install any thru-table microphone, you want to make sure that the nut at the bottom that sits under the table is not over tightened. What happens is that if you do that, you're going to compress the rubber here and you're not going to get the decoupling effect that you would like to have. So what's going to happen at that point is that the vibrations are going to be transmitted directly to the microphone. Another product that we have is called the C004 ERF. This one has pretty much the same features as the 003, but it has a cardioid pattern, meaning an acceptance angle of about 130 degrees. This microphone would be used normally for 1 or for 2 participants. Now, if you use it for 2 participants, there's a lot of advantages to that. First of all, it's very cost effective, especially if you have many positions, many participants on the table. But more importantly, if you're using it 1 for 2, that allows you to open your laptop without interfering with the pickup of the microphone. One thing we've done with the 004 is that we slightly elevated the profile and put a slant in the front. This way it's easy to identify where your pattern is. Now, this is obviously very popular for conference tables. Our next 2 alternatives are the C011 and C012. So we have here an omni-directional pattern and a cardioid pattern. Again, these 2 have pretty much the same features as the 004 and the 003. The difference really is that you'll notice that the top cap is really made out of solid brass. We designed these microphones especially for applications where the environment is more challenging. There's much more traffic. And you can see here that obviously the microphones are much more robust. Now, to recap, for 95% of the applications, the 003 and 004 are excellent microphones. But if you have some applications where the environment's a little bit more intense, a little bit more challenging, then the 11 and the 12 are definitely the right choices.